Hello viewer, this is Selenium WebDriver tutorial part 1. This is for beginner, those who are starting to learn Selenium automation testing. This is absolutely for themselves. So what we'll do for today's tutorial, we'll creating a project, then we'll create a package, then create TestNG class, adding TestNG library to the project, import Selenium JAR file, create first test Selenium test script, opening Firefox browser, then it will navigate to Google homepage, then search with any word, capture search result and close the browser. Today's tutorial all about that. Let's go step by step. First we need to open the Eclipse, which is editor. This is my workspace, Selenium tutorial. You can create your workspace with any name. That's totally depends on you. Then once it is pops up, then click launch. This is your workspace. Is previous project, just delete that one. Okay, it is done. So first you need to create a project, file, new, Java project or project, Java project. Let's name it is project 1. Then use default location, then use an execution environment JAR, whatever installed for you. Then create by default whatever it is selected, leave it as it is. Then click finish. Your project is created. Once you expand your project, you see there is a source folder src. Go to the source folder, right click, new, go click package. So package name basically it is reversed to the domain name pom.google. It's totally depends on which project you are working related to that name. Then click finish. Package is created. Once package is created, right click, new, go to other, we'll create TestNG class. TestNG class, then click next. You have to leave it source folder up to source. Then class name, you have to provide the class name. Let's say we are doing Google search. Class name should be, it is totally depends on which project you are working on, related on that project which task you are working on. Then let's select the before method and after method. TestNG has multiple annotation. We'll discuss with other tutorial with the TestNG annotation. Now just select before method and after method. Then click finish. If you expand this package, you see there is a Google search class created. There are multiple red marking over here. If you mouse over in the red lining, you see there is multiple solution over here. The reason it is red mark error is because we didn't add the TestNG library over here. So click add TestNG library added, and your error is gone. Just organize your project class, like let's say put it before method before, and then we do the testing. Let's put testing over here, then after method it is as it is. So after organizing this, click save, then go to the project folder, right click, properties, go to Java build path. We need to add the Selenium JAR over here. So once library is selected, add external JAR, go to your where you saved your Selenium JAR file, downloaded Selenium tutorial, Selenium Java. I put it all JAR over here. So select all of that and click open. Selenium JAR added. Then click apply and close. Okay. Our TestNG. Let's go our topics. We created project successfully. Let's put it as a green mark. Then we created package successfully, green mark. Then we created TestNG class successfully, green mark. We added TestNG library, it is done, green mark. Then also we import Selenium JAR file. Now we need to create the script according to that. Okay, let's go there. Here is a class WebDriver equal to now. WebDriver is a interface of Selenium. So if once you will see something is red mark, mouse over here, you see there is a fix available fix over here. The reason WebDriver is red mark, we didn't even import the WebDriver in the project. So click import WebDriver. WebDriver imported and red mark is gone. If you expand over here, you see all OpenQA selenium.webdriver. It is added in the project. Okay, that's right. Before method, what we will do, we will initialize the browser, open the browser with expected home page, like we will open the Google home page. Now we have to add the system properties of browser. So system system dot set property. There is key value pair. Here is WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. So here is the key value is where our gecko driver located. So if you, let's see where our gecko driver is. Document, I put it over here, Selenium tutorial. Here is the gecko driver. So take the path from here, copy. This path will be where you will put your gecko driver. Gecko driver.exe. So this is your gecko driver. Then driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now you see the Firefox driver is the red mark. If you mouse over here, import Firefox in your project. Let's say here is the Firefox driver imported. Now you have to maximize the driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get https://www.google.com. Here you can put message system dot out dot println. Google homepage displayed. Just we are giving a message that Google homepage displayed. This before method is done. Now we'll do the testing in over here. What we'll do, we'll, let's say this is our Google homepage. Google.com. We'll search something in here. So you need to find out this element in the search box. What is the name for the search box? Is name or ID. Selenium prefer ID. If there is no ID for this element, then we have to go name, or if we don't find any name, then we have to go to the expert tool. We'll discuss about that element locator in later tutorial. So let's say if you want to identify the name of this search box, then right click, then click inspect. Once inspect, you see there is a arrow button, select an element, click over here and then go to the search box. What is the name is Q. You see it is the name of Q. Copy that name exactly, whatever it is. It is only one single letter, but sometimes name is bigger. So copy from there. Don't even retype or anything else. Then driver dot find element by dot name is Q, and now our object is identified. Then what we will do, we will send some search string, send keys. What we will send, let's say we will search with the keyword like selenium, SELENIUM, selenium. So it will type on that specific box selenium. Then what we will do, driver dot find element is the same thing by dot name. We are putting same thing Q. Then what we'll do, dot send keys. Now we'll do keys dot enter. Basically, after typing the search string, what we do, we press enter. Then let's say we are writing over here selenium, then hit enter. Search result is appearing over here, about 45 million. So navigate that object, select over here, and that object, what is the object ID is result stats. Copy from here and go your selenium script, and then driver dot find element by dot, here we got ID, and then ID is 1. Then what we will do with that ID, we will capture that search result, how many result is appearing over here, dot get text. Now we need to print out that text. Just wrap up with this search result, put string search result equal to this position. Okay. Now system.out.println, let's say Google, non-Google, Selenium search result is plus, what is the search result we have, put it over here. Okay, now it will search. So just save over here. Red error is gone. So when you will hit enter, then to appear the search result, it takes little time. So that's why we need to wait WebDriver that just wait little bit. Thread.slwp, thread.sleep, let's say 10,000 milliseconds. That means 10 seconds it will wait. It is red mark. If you mouse over here, add throws declaration or try catch method. We are taking that throws declaration. The red mark is gone. Now let's say after method. What will after method is done? My testing is done. Then what will do? Driver dot close. It will close the browser. Let's say we can put the custom message over here too. So control space bar system out the println browser closed successfully. Okay, then save it. After save, now if you have to look after that if there is any error or not. There is no error, no red mark in your test case level. This is our today's task. If you right click over here, run as TestNG test. Test case is running. Now Firefox browser open. It maximizes the browser. It's navigated to the Google homepage. It starts with Selenium, and then it should capture the 45,500,000 something. And after that, it will close the browser close. If you go to the console, look at this. Your test run 1, total test run, and there is no failure, no skip. It is passed. You see the method, the message we put, like Google homepage displayed. This is before method. It is printed in console. Then it captured the search result. It captured the search result over here, and also browser closed successfully. We put all the method. That means your script executed successfully. Also, this is for today's session. If you feel any issue or if you have a question, just make your comment. I'll get back to you. And also, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I think it will be helpful for you. Thanks again.